When a patient comes in our office complaining of low back or hip pain that is worse with walking, this is usually caused by a misalignment in one or both SI joints. Now, as mentioned in the last video, the SI joint stands for the joint between the sacrum and the ilium on both sides. So it's called the sacroiliac joint. There are 10 different combinations of misalignments that the SI joints can have. Now, I don't need to go through them with you now, but we find these through measurements on X-ray and or visualization of your body while you stand or lie on the table. Now, once we find the exact misalignment, we make our adjustment, which looks like this. Depending on the misalignment, the hand placement and angle of my elbow may change, but again, that's not important for you to know the details of unless you're a chiropractic student. Now, the drop table adjustment is a more gentle option for patients who need it due to surgeries, hip replacements, osteoporosis, or if they just prefer a more gentle touch. Now, please share this video with anyone dealing with low back pain and feel free to comment below with any questions.